Fight.
Alright y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Justina here. Let's get ready together. Put on something you don't care about wearing, like this deodorant drenched shirt here. Then we're gonna start. Ooh shit girl, the head! Oh my god! First we gotta put this big old fro and all this other stuff up and away. Okay girl, I see with the dress wrapped around the head. Yes, that is a dress wrapped around the head. Okay, so just tie that thing up like a scarf. Make it do what it do. Work it out. There you go. Keep working it. Keep working it. If it flat back out, just work through it again and fix it. There you go. It worked. First and foremost, what we're going to do is we're going to wash our face. This is my black soap. I don't know what y'all like to do, what type of black soap y'all like to use, but yeah, this is the kind that I like to use. So it look like dookie. It's real easy to separate. I put it in a glove so it don't mess up my sink. Oh my god, girl, guy, whatever it is watching this, please take your rings and your jewelry off before you use the soap, because that is a mess to get off. I'm trying to tell you. Now we're going to do a quick pat on your face. Do not rub your face, just pat it. Now we're going to use some of this char glow stuff. It's supposed to brighten up your skin. Rub your fingers all over your face and work it in really good. You're supposed to leave this stuff on for about 20 minutes, I think. 15-20 minutes. So I left it on there for about 10.
Right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected.
Y'all ever put the face mask on and then start feeling like you the Hulk or some crazy shit, so you just start modeling and stuff, doing weird stuff? Anyway, yeah, let's go ahead and watch this crap off.
Well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe, and I dated it Thanksgiving 1995, just before Thanksgiving 1995.
Now we're gonna use some of this Vaseline oil, smack it up, smack. Hey, okay. So I like to use this or baby oil gel. This is Vaseline oil gel. Don't use a whole lot. Smaller than a pea, but I use more, so I just petted it a little bit off. And now we're gonna move on to the next. Yeah, let's take this thing off. Why not? Keep all the hair in the face. Why not? Go for it, bitch. Alright y'all, so I still know nothing about makeup, but what I like to do first, I like to start with my eyebrows. I use my little sponge eyeliner pencil thing to just fill in my eyebrows very lightly but surely. Now we're gonna go in with some concealer. I like to go up under my eyebrows first and then go on top so that I can see how I want to shape them for the final look. Now it's time to blend everything out, like all of that crap. Yeah, like all of that. So blend that thing out as good as you can get it.
Yeah, I would visualize.
This is when you were broken poor.
Right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, I like your work or whatever that is.
Next, I'm gonna take one of my broke down raggedy ass palettes, and I'm gonna go ahead and start with a darker color on the outer lids of my eyes and work it from there. Then we're going to take a little smaller brush and we're going to put on some light colored shadow on the middle part of our eyelid. Why the hell was that so hard for me to say? But anyway, yeah, just do light colored. I don't care what you do. Just do you, girl. Do you. Next, we go in with something a little more metallic-y on the same part of our eyelid. And we're just going to put on some nice little glitter, sparkly looking shadow and blend that in to the best of our abilities. Last but not least, let's go in the inner corner of our eyelid with a very, very light color. As you can see, I'm using that very same eyeliner pen, pencil crap thing, and I'm filling in my liner because, yeah, I like to do Let's conceal these bags, bitch. So, you go ahead and put that eyeliner as close as you can to that wing, under them eyes, close as you can to your waterline, and blend it in after that. Now, I don't always use foundation, but sometimes I do. Today is one of them days. I went ahead and used my Mary Kay foundation and just a little bit of blush to put on top of it. And then, of course, after the blush and all that good stuff, we just move right along into the setting powder. I forgot to mention this, but once I finish with my setting powder, I just go ahead and I do a little spritz of some setting spray. As you can see, I don't use the highlighter and bronzer and all that other good crap. No, we just doing basic shit today, okay? Alright, girl, it's time to do something with that head of yours. I like to do my hair after I do my makeup. For some odd reason, it might be unusual, but it's true. For some of y'all ASMR lovers out there, that was just a little bit of a sound. I felt like it's satisfying. All that's in that bottle is water, conditioner, and some curl activating cream, and that's it, and that's all. Just brush through that bad boy. That's it, and that's all. Thank y'all for watching my video once again. Come joining and getting ready with me. That's how I do my makeup and my hair. So if you like this content, please make sure that you leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel for more. And I will see you gentlemen and ladies next time. Bye.